This lady had stretched her earlobes to 14 millimetres. She'd removed her stretchers, and you can see that the hole is actually constricted in slightly since that time. In the video today, I'm going to be showing you the actual operation when I repair the split earlobe, and we're also going to be looking at the appearance of the earlobe immediately after the finish of surgery. So in this case, what we're going to do is do a sort of a T-shaped incision, because if you just cut them out as they are, they tend to make the ear a bit long and pointy. So if you cut them out that way, they'll be a bit long and pointy, so we've got to cut it out and also draw the ear up to get a really natural appearance. Here we can see the appearance of the ears immediately following surgery. So this is literally within a minute of finishing surgery. You can see the stitch lines, very fine absorbable stitches have been used in this case. There's a little bit of blood on the incision line, as you can see. We're going to cover this up with brown tape, and then the scar's going to fade and fade and fade and fade, but the important thing is that the earlobe has a nice natural shape and nice natural contour, and the scar will mature and fade with time.